Regards from Ajay C. Rathod. Now we are going to start with chapter number 2, that is a polynomial. As you have learned in standard 9th, ये इसी का ये एक आगे का वर्जन है. दैट वी हैव टू सी अबाउट ए लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, देन ए क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल and cubic polynomial that we are going to see in this particular part that already we have learned in standard 9th. Based on that, how to find it out, the direct answers and some geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial that we are going to learn in this particular part. Now let us see about from a basic part that is called in chapter number 2, that is a polynomial. Linear polynomial किसको बोलेंगे? When any polynomial having a degree of 1, then 2x minus 3 root 3x plus 5 y plus root t x minus 2 by 11 3z plus 4, where all the polynomial means x is having a power of 1, x is also power 1, y is equal to power 1, x is having a power 1, z is equal to power 1, then polynomial of a degree 1. बेस्ड ऑन दैट अगर आगे जाते हैं एक स्टेप एंड क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, तो पॉलिनोमियल ए ऑफ डिग्री 2, तो 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 2 बाई 5 वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस रूट 3 एक्स. इसका एक जनरल फॉर्म लिख देंगे, दैट इज ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी. बट कंडीशन इज दैट ए इज शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0, राइट. अगर ये 0 हो जाएगा तो दैट दिस टर्म इज गोइंग टू बिकम 0. So you have to keep in mind that a should not be 0 over here. Now cubic polynomial, in simple way writing 2 minus x raised to power 3 3x square minus 2x square plus x minus 1, polynomial of degree 3. So we can write ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is a general form. Here also once again a should not be equal to 0. This is the main condition which you have to keep in mind. Now based on this we have to find it out when we are plotting a graph, and here we are going to see about a quadratic polynomial one part, and one we are going to see is a cubic polynomial. That two part we are going to learn in this particular chapter. Here now if you want to find it out the zeros of the polynomial, then ax plus b then is minus b by a. minus b by a what it is representing? अगर इक्वेशन का जो ये कोएफिशिएंट है कांस्टेंट टर्म्स है x का पावर इज अ 1, तो सिंपल में लेंगे तो माइनस b बाय a, दैट इज अ कांस्टेंट टर्म विद ए नेगेटिव साइन अपॉन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. x का कोएफिशिएंट को डिनोमिनेटर में डालेंगे. व्हेन वी आर प्लॉटिंग ए ग्राफ ऑफ ए क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c, a should not be equal to 0. The shape of the graph is either a upward, means it is going to be moved in this way. आप देख रहे हैं, it is like this, and this is called as a open upwards. ऊपर की तरफ खुल रहा है तो open upwards. If it is going in a downward direction, then it is called as an open downwards. This is generally known as a पैराबोला. ये टाइप के जो डायग्राम क्रिएट होते हैं समथिंग लाइक दिस और दिस, देन इट इज कॉल्ड ना पैराबोला, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी बाय प्लॉटिंग ए ग्राफ इन आवर बुक. हियर बेस्ड ऑन दिस, अगर मैं लीनियर पॉलीमर कंसिडर करता हूँ, इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग ए लीनियर पॉलीमर, ए एक्स प्लस बी इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस बी बाय ए. If the quadratic equation is there, then ax square plus bx plus c अगर लेता हूँ, if I am taking k as a constant, अगर इसको बाहर निकालेंगे तो उसके दो पार्ट होते हैं, that we have seen in a standard 9. So x minus alpha, x minus beta, k को कॉमन ले लेंगे. Here it should be in a form of a addition, middle term, last term should be in a multiplication, that is alpha beta. So kx square minus k alpha plus beta x plus k alpha beta, these all is based on a term of a something like a plus b whole d square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर, ये वाले टर्म के हिसाब से जो बेसिक इक्वेशन है दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट, एंड फ्रॉम दैट यू आर सॉल्विंग दिस. नाउ ए इज इक्वल टू के हो जाएगा. हियर इट इज मे बी एनी वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट. बी इज इक्वल टू दिस कांस्टेंट टर्म that is a minus k alpha and beta, and c that is a constant term that is a k alpha beta होगा. so alpha plus beta अगर मुझे find it out करना है that is a minus b by a, and multiple of these alpha beta should be a c by a. तो sum of the zeros क्या हो जाएगा, that is a alpha plus beta करेंगे. so here I had got the value of minus b by a, that is a minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. If I want to find it out the product of the zeros is equal to alpha multiplied by beta. If I am doing the multiplication of these, it should be equal to c by a, constant term upon coefficient of x square. जबकि यहाँ पे क्या था एडिशन में, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, कांस्टेंट टर्म न्यूमरेटर में, और डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा दैट इज अ x square. Now basic things which you have already aware that we are going to see is a dividend is equal to क्या होगा, that is a px is equal to divisor that is a gx multiplied by quotient qx plus remainder that is rx. This is a general form which you have already learned in 8th and 9th standard में आपने लर्न किया था. यही आगे इसके अंदर हम यूज़ करेंगे. Before that we will see our textbook how to get the answer. For that I am taking one graph and I am going to explain that is been given on the page number 23. Now based on this, I am taking one table that is having a value. When x I am taking a different variable that is a value of k. Y is relevant to the equation that is a x square minus 3x minus 4. While taking x is equal to minus 2, here I have to put value of x as a minus 2 का स्क्वायर minus 3 2 जा माइनस और लगाएंगे तो 3 2 जा 6 प्लस की साइन हो जाएगी minus 4, ये दोनों कट हो गए. so I am going to get the answer is equal to 6. I am placing the value is a minus 1, then it is equal 0. I am placing 0, then it is going to become, these two terms is going to become 0. so I am going to get only minus 4. if I will put 1 instead of x, so I am going to get the value is a minus 6. so I am taking tentatively 3 points on a negative side and 3 points on a positive side. Even if you take on a extension forms, there is no problem. Minimum requirement is almost all 5 points you have to cover. So you are going to get a graph in a proper way. 1 if you put, you will get the answer is equal to minus 6. 2 लगाएंगे यहाँ पे, you will get the answer is equal to once again minus 6. 2 लगाने पर भी, 1 लगाने पर भी minus 6 है और वापस से भी minus 6 आएगा 2 पे भी. 3, then once again on simplification value is going to become minus 4. minus 4, 3 लगाएंगे 3 का स्क्वायर 9 माइनस और 3 3 जा 9 that is a minus 9 and 4 तो minus 9 minus 4 that is going to become minus 13 and 3 square that is equal to 9. so you will get the value is equal to minus 4. if you have any doubt in this, please solve it out separately. It is a very easy. Usually they are not asking in the exam to plot the graph, but you should be aware about the nature. Now 4, then value will be a 0. 4 4 is equal to 16. 4 3 are 12 and minus 4. Minus 12 and minus 4 is equal to 16 and 16 with 16 can cancel. So you will get 0. Same with 5. You will get the value 0. And if you will plot the graph nature is something like this. Here it is intersecting at 2 points. One at minus 1 and 0, another one is 4 and 0. यहाँ पे देख लीजिए when you had got 0 on x, y value क्या आती थी minus 4. When you are putting a 4 as an x, y value will be a 0. So on these two particular point you are getting the value as a 0 for which part? Y is going to become 0, and if you plot this and attach all the points, you can get in nature something like this. So that I had already explained you during a explanation or a basic concept. So this graph is called as nature is a parabola. So this is going to become a parabola type nature हो जाएगा graph का. So same graph you are going to get. When it attached to a 2 points, we are going to get a 2 solution. Is that clear? Now based on this, they had asked a good question, that is a case number 1. X-axis at a 2 distinct point A and A dash, where ax square plus bx plus c. Case 1. अगर केस 1 देता हूँ तो डायग्राम विल बी दिस. सो ए और ए डैश पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है. सो अगर दो जगह पे करता है तो वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स शुड बी ए 2. सो इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सेम थिंग हैपन्स ओवर point for 2. X axis is exactly 1 point. So a 2 coefficient point. So the 2 point A and A dash coincide here, becomes a point A. So that points will be the same. This is also nature is like a parabola nature, that is called as a downward, and this is called as an upward. Here intersection on a x axis is taking place at a 1 point. So here, as per the case 3, it is having a only one solution. The x coordinate of the A is only 1 0 of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx in this case. Same thing is happens in a upward parabola. This is called a downward, having only one solution because it is intersecting at 1 point. That is point number A. Here also intersecting at 1 point. So solution will be having only 1 0. A is the only 0 na. So these are having only 1 0. Now in case number 4, ये आगे का था. Now in diagram number 2.5, if you will see, they are not intersecting anywhere on this x-axis, in this as well as in this. Here is the graph is either completely above the x-axis or completely below the x-axis. So it does not cut the x-axis at any point. So has no 0. So here we had got a total 3 condition. One having a 2 solution, another having only 1 solution, and no solution. So based on a graphical method also we are going to get the same thing. There is a no solution. Now based on this, one exercise which has been given pertaining to the 2.1. Now from this we will try to find it out what is the solution of this graph. Now if you will see, हमें देखना क्या है कि x एक्सिस पे कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है. तो इफ यू ऑब्जर्व ओवर हियर, देन आप देख सकते हैं x एक्सिस पे इंटरसेक्शन नहीं है. सो नो 0 हियर, ओनली एट 1 point. This is not, it is intercepting y axis, that is not useful. हमें यही लाइन पे कितनी जगह पे इंटरसेक्ट होना है वही देखना है. So it is having only one solution. Once again over here, if you observe very carefully, 1, then 2 and 3. So this may be having a 3 solution. So x is having a 3 values. So having a degree of 3. So this graph is a little bit different. So this is called as a cubical. Then 2 quadratic. अगर 2 है तो ये इक्वेशन कैसी होगी? क्वाड्रेटिक. 1, 2, 3 and 4, it is having a degree of 4, and when degree reaches more than 3, we are concluding this in a form of a polynomial. So this is called as a polynomial graph. 1, 2 and 3. So it is having a cubicle 1, 2 and 3. Please remember this. ये छोटा वाला ग्राफ जो जा रहा है यहाँ ध्यान से रखिए. These are 1, these are second and these are third. So 3 points are there, 1, 2 and 3. So here it is a cubicle. This is called as a polynomial. These are quadratic. Once again 1, 2 and 3 cubicle. This is called as a linear, or we can say a having only one answer, single polynomial. Here it is having a constant, so this is not going to come in a form of a polynomial. 0 degree will be a 0. Constant is there na only. So please remember all the condition along with the answer. If you are having any problems in this particular part, please let me know. I will explain you once again, and you have to remember this particular part. Now we are going to see about this exercise number 2.1. There is nothing more pertaining to this. ये आप इसी पे से आइडेंटिफिकेशन कर सकते हो. One another having a cubical equation, then we are going to see something like that. Alpha, beta, gamma are the zero of the polynomial where it is intercepting. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. तो इक्वेशन क्या होगा? क्यूबिकल. सो आंसर विल बी ax क्यूब bx स्क्वायर प्लस cx प्लस d. Hence alpha plus beta plus gamma, that will be a minus b by a. Sign will be a minus. Please remember this. Alpha beta, beta gamma and gamma alpha, that will be a c by a. And alpha multiplied by beta multiplied by gamma, that will be a constant term, that is a minus d upon a. This will be a third. So based on this you are going to get the answers of all the three. Alpha, beta, gamma, 0 of the polynomial, that is called as a dash type of the polynomials. Will you please able to give the answer? कौन सा? क्यूबिकल. क्वाड्रेटिक के लिए कंडीशन क्या था? That is this one. So maximum questions which has been asked, that is based on this particular which we are going to see in this particular chapters. We will continue with a exercise number 2.2 in our next session. But before that I am requesting you to draw a graph of example number 1 and one graph which has been given for a table 2.1. So homework will be a table 2.1 and graph of that to understand the nature, and example number 1. Example number 1 is similar to that of the your exercise 2.1 which I had already explained you. If you have any doubt, you can contact me on the mobile number 9638229462. This is my WhatsApp number also. You can contact me anytime for these doubts. Thank you very much for being with us. We will continue next part, that is a 2.2 in a next session. Thank you very much for being with us.